We are what we eat. You are what you eat. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Is this true when it comes to supersizing and growing our business? This idiom, this expression is attributed to, and I like this because sometimes we're suckers, sometimes we're pop rocks, sometimes we're caramel M&Ms, whatever it might be your favorites. These are actually candies I had to like pilferage from my granddaughter from trick-or-treating because she shouldn't eat Starburst and things like that because she's only 2, right? Some things they can eat, sometimes they can't. Pizza, we can all endure once we are old enough to eat it, right? So what does this idiom mean? Where does it come from? And how might it apply to growing and building and supersizing your business? For me, it's been around since 1826 when a man by the name of, and I got to grab my magnifying glass because he's got a 4-part name, Jean Anthelme Billet Savarin, whatever his name is. He wrote something called the Philosophie de Something, and it was translated into "you are what you eat." Part of it was, and this became the slogan for the English speaking circuit in the 1940s. You are what you eat. You are what you eat. You know how professional speakers and motivational speakers and TED talkers, they'll latch on to an idea and then it goes from speaker to speaker to speaker to speaker. I don't know if you've been in the personal development world at all. You know exactly what I'm talking about. There's a lot of things that are said that are attributed to the wrong person, and but they're repeated over and over again. Things like it takes 21 days to form a new habit. Absolute poppycock that came from the speaking circuit. Yeah, some things you can form a habit in less than 21 days, some more than 21 days, some 21 days exactly, but each of us are different. And one of the speakers in the personal development circuit started that and said that with authority and probably backed it up with some statistics or one test. And it became something that went around. It's kind of like the telephone game and rumors, right? We need to think about things and how they actually apply to us, not just take them on face value. That's one of the things that this idiom especially reminds me of. But I do believe we are what we consume. We are what we expose ourselves to. We are what we hang around and pay attention to. And that definitely has an impact and an effect on how well we grow and build and supersize our business. I think this idiom actually is in the Bible, Proverbs 23:7, as well as a man by the name of Michael Ryan Whitson said something about we behave based on what we consume. And I'm definitely paraphrasing, but he expanded on the idea of we're more than just what we eat physically and consume. We're what we expose ourselves to. What we think, what we believe has a huge impact on what we'll even look at or see for opportunities when it comes to growing and building and supersizing our businesses. So love to know your experience with this particular idiom and expression. I have lots of stories about it and lots of stories about the different people that I've been exposed to in mastermind groups and things, the different people that I have partnered with to create different businesses, etc., and how that has impacted me and my ability and my belief in my ability to grow and build and supersize various businesses throughout my life. All right, share your thoughts and thinking about this idiom too. You are what you eat. Do you believe that what you consume, I guess I believe that what we consume has an impact on us and we have an impact on our business. Therefore, they are directly related. All right, have an awesome day. And I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and supersize your business? Have a great day.